Hello and welcome to another video. So, you're trying to meditate, but you're struggling to put it in your schedule because you're a busy man. But hey, I got a solution for you. There are several ways I did this. Believe me, I'm busy as fuck too. So, listen, I used to be like, no time. And I used to have lack of sleep. So I was struggling with putting meditation in my daily routine. What I did? Oh wait, it's very simple. So, there is quite some stuff you can do. For example, the tactic I'm using most of my time is I meditate before sleep. And before you shit talk me, let me explain to you why. So basically, if you go meditate before sleep and you really focus on your breath, right? You're not just gonna have a nice routine before bed and a nice schedule to always keep up with meditation, but meditation is gonna improve your sleep too. Because like if you wind down, that's called winding down before sleep. For example, meditation is one method, right? So you wind down, you really relax and chill your body, your heartbeat goes down, and then through all the sleep your heartbeat is gonna be low, so your sleep quality is gonna be better because you wind it down before sleep. I mean, your heartbeat is not gonna be very low, right? But it's not gonna be like 100 gym mode, right? But like usually if you just go normally to sleep, your heartbeat is gonna be up here and then it's gonna have to go down through the sleep, so your sleep quality is gonna be worse because while you're sleeping it's gonna have to be going down. But if you already put the heartbeat down before sleep, it's gonna be like this in the sleep. So your sleep, you see, it's not your body won't have to slow down your heartbeat through the whole sleep because it's already gonna be low enough for your sleep quality to be better. So that's one benefit of meditating before bed. But there is a problem with it, of course, as well. Because if you go to meditate before sleep, and if you're sleep deprived, you might fall asleep while meditating. I've been there. It's not very fun. But I got one recommendation for you in this case. Sleep enough. Go to sleep earlier. Get minimum 7 hours of sleep. Like literally bare minimum. If you get a minute after that, under that, oh, you have to be mad on yourself, mate. Mad. And you gotta work on it. If you work on it, you're gonna achieve good stuff. But if you don't, if you're just complaining about it, you're not gonna achieve shit. So don't just complain about stuff, but actually do something to make it better. Okay, but that's one way of meditation. There is another way. I mean, another time to meditate. It's, for example, right after school. You come home and before you go study, you meditate because you're gonna focus your brain on your breath, and then you go to study, you're gonna be very focused on studying. So, that's another good thing. And why I'm always telling before sleep, before studying, after you come home, Why? Because if you're gonna have it always on the same time. Why? Because if you're gonna have it on the same time every day, for example, before studying, after you come home, before studying, before you go to bed, etc., you're gonna make it a habit and it's gonna be way easier to do it. Your brain is gonna be automatically thinking, oh wait, I gotta go meditate now. So you're not gonna forget it. Your body is gonna be prepared for it. And you're gonna meditate way better. So that's a good thing. But if you're a very, very fucking busy man, like zero time in your life. I was once watching a podcast of some guy, and he was saying this, that he was a very busy man, right? But he was yet still going to school. And so what he did, he took those small 5-minute breaks, or the lunch breaks, and he went to the toilet, locked himself in the toilet, put his headphones in, and meditated in there for, 5-10 minutes, right? And that's how he got his meditation in. And it works. Like I said, if you really want to achieve something, you can do it. You have to look outside the box and you have to find the way to achieve it. And this dude did. He found it. He took those small breaks and meditated. Listen, it doesn't matter where you meditate. You meditated. You meditated for 5 minutes. You were focused on your breath. In the school toilet. It works. Just the same as if you were meditating at home. Maybe the surrounding is not as chill and relaxed. But you're meditating. If you want it hard enough, you'll find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. Now stop being a lazy bitch and get after what you want. Get after your goals, brother. Stay hard.